Hi guys! If you're thinking about buying a best thermostat for a heat pump with auxiliary heat, stop right here. In this video, I'm reviewing the top 5 best thermostat for a heat pump with auxiliary heat that combine comfort, durability, and style. Some of these might surprise you, so be sure to watch till the end. Product number 1. Sewer Non-Programmable Thermostat for Heat Pump. I've used the Sewer Non-Programmable Thermostat on a basic heat pump with auxiliary heat for over a winter, and it surprised me with its reliability. The large blue backlit digital display makes it easy to see current and target temperatures at a glance, and its dual power option, 24 VAC or AAA batteries, meant I didn't worry about C-wire issues. I liked how precise the control was, almost always within plus or minus 1 degree F of my set point, and it handled the heat pump and aux heat switching smoothly, though it lacks scheduling or smart features. The simplicity is its strength, no confusing menus and very few settings to fuss with. The cons are that it's basic, no programmability, no Wi-Fi, and older thermostats feel more feature-rich. For the price, it's excellent value if you just want dependable basic control without complexity. Product number 2. Honeywell RTH7600D Touchscreen Programmable Thermostat. The Honeywell RTH7600D stands out as the most polished thermostat in this group. Its touchscreen is intuitive and easy to navigate, and the 7-day programmable schedule lets me tailor heating and cooling around my week. I appreciated the smart response technology that predicts how long my heat pump needs to run. Temperatures feel more stable and energy use seemed lower over time. Unlike simpler models, this thermostat fully supports heat pumps with auxiliary heat, switching seamlessly without confusion during cold spells. Cons, it's pricier than budget units and has a slight learning curve, but the combination of programmability, display clarity, and responsive system control made it my go-to on my primary living area system. If you want comfort, weekly scheduling, and better automation, this is worth the slightly higher cost. Product number 3. Heagstat H721 Non-Programmable Thermostat. With the Heagstat H721, simplicity met performance. The large 4.5-inch LCD with clock ensures you always know what temperature you're holding, and the thermostat is accurate within roughly plus minus 1 degree F. It handled my heat pump's aux heat switching without odd behavior, and the compressor delay protection helped reduce short cycling, protects your system. It's non-programmable, so if you want schedules, you won't find them here, but the straightforward dial buttons interface means it's usable by anyone, great for guests or busy families who don't want to fuss with complex settings. The main cons are the lack of advanced features, no Wi-Fi, schedules, or smart learning, but its price point is one of the best for heat pump systems that just need reliable control. If you want a solid, no-nonsense thermostat, this one is hard to beat. Product number 4. AOL AW721 Thermostat Non-Programmable. The AOL thermostat impressed me with its simplicity and readability. The digital display is clear, and the thermostat handled base-level control of my heat pump and auxiliary heat fine. It kept temperatures very close to set points. There's no programming, so it's easy for anyone to adjust manually, and it uses dual power, which means installation was hassle-free, even without a common wire in my system. I did notice that compared to others, the buttons and mode switch text are a bit small, and it doesn't have fancy features like humidity sensing or scheduling. However, for the price, often budget-friendly, and straightforward operation, it delivered very consistent performance. If you want something that just works without menus or app setup, this unit offers great value for money. Product number 5. Morange Heat Pump Thermostat. This thermostat blends programmability with valuable environmental feedback, thanks to temperature and humidity display. Over weeks of use with my heat pump, I found the weekly schedule function useful. I could set different temperatures for weekdays and weekends easily, cutting energy waste. The humidity readout helped me adjust comfort levels in transitional seasons when heat pump oily controls sometimes left the air feel dry or clammy. Installation was straightforward, and the display is bright enough to read in daylight or low light. The downside is that it's not a premium smart unit, no app control, and the interface takes a few minutes to learn. Compared to purely non-programmable thermostats, the extra scheduling and display features make this worth a bit more, but it still stays reasonably priced. For a middle ground of features and cost, this one impressed me.